Hey guys and gals, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on Dashcoin. First of all, let me to give you some recap on the Dashcoin that I posted few ideas few months back, and after that, it will be easy for you to understand the analysis on the live chart. So first, let me to take you to my previous idea, and that was the Dash with US dollar pair on 12-hour chart that I posted on January 3rd. And here the price action completed the formation of the bullish garlic pattern, and I predicted that from here at this level the price action will take the bullish divergence, and now you can see that the price action turned a really very strong bullish divergence and produced more than 285% bullish rally after entering in this potential reversal zone as per Fibonacci sequence of this garlic pattern. And after that, I posted another chart on March 22, and you can see on this chart the price action just completed the bullish bad pattern. This was the initial leg, and A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. Then it is retraced finally at this level between 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement. And from here, I predicted that the price action will move up again as per Fibonacci sequence of this bad pattern, and it should enter at least 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. And I'm just playing this chart at this time. The price action is still moving above this potential reversal zone, between the potential reversal zone and this Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. Now, if I take you to the live chart, then this is the main and basic reason that stopped the price action to enter in this Fibonacci projection zone so far, and that is the resistance level of $85. As we can see that we have the last support at $38.16, then we have the support at $60, and we have the next resistance level at $85. And when the price action was moving up, it hit at this level at $85 resistance level and moved down. At this time, the price action is moving within the price range of $60 to $85. But during this all, the price action of Dashcoin has formed another bullish shark pattern on a bit smaller time period chart on the 2-day chart. This was the formation, this bullish bad formation was on the 4-day chart, and this time it has formed another bullish shark pattern on the 2-day chart. And you can see that after entering in this potential reversal zone, now the price action is likely to move up, and I'm expecting that soon it will again make another attempt to break out this $85 resistance level. And this Fibonacci projection level is in the price range of $91. Let me show you these targets. It is from $91 up to $132.92, almost $133. So this is our sell zone or Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. Once the price action will be able to cross up this $85 resistance level, then it will be easy for the price line to reach up to that sell zone or Fibonacci projection that I have defined as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish bad pattern. And this is really very helpful for the price line at this time to break out this $85 resistance level. And if we switch to the long-term weekly chart, then the price action has formed a falling wedge pattern, and after hitting at this resistance level, the price action dropped down at the support, and at this time the price action is moving at the center of this falling wedge pattern. And if we try to find the reason why the price action is not moving up or moving down and moving sideways at the center of this falling wedge pattern, and then the basic reason for that is if we place the volume profile on the complete price range, moving within this falling wedge pattern up to this level. This is the volume profile indicator that is really very useful to determine the trader's interest, at what level the traders are interested to trade and at what level they are not interested to trade. For example, we can see that the traders are interested up to this level, that is almost at $102. And if we watch the traders' interest from the downside, they are interested to trade up to almost $42. And we can see that this is the POC of this volume profile, the point of control of the volume profile. And it works like as a center of gravity for the price action. Whenever the price action moves up or moves down, it pulls back the price action towards itself. And at this time, the price action is moving with this POC level or point of control level. And this is the basic reason, therefore the price action is not dropping down up to this level that is almost at $42 or up to the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. But however, if we watch this shark pattern that is formed on this 2-day chart, then we can expect an upward move and the price action can soon attempt another breakout attempt to break out this resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and that is almost at $96 at this time. But we need the price action to at least enter from this level up to this level that starts from $91 and ends up to almost $133. But if the price action will be able to cross up this level, that is 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, then the price action can start more powerful bullish move or bullish rally than the previous one, because this 0.786 Fibonacci projection in itself is a really very strong resistance level. And whenever the price action forms such patterns and crosses up the 786 Fibonacci projection, then there is more than 80% chances that the price action can start more powerful bullish rally than the previous move. So this was the update so far by the price action of dashcoin. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. If you like the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel, and do share your comments and opinions in the comment section with me, and do share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.